Hey guys, I've been here in Jamaica for about a month now, and everyone has been telling me you have to go check out Zazi. You have to check out his cooking, his personality. He is the Ital King. This man is a true yard man. He shows you the whole meaning of Rastafari.
Health is very good. Peace is very good. Straight love is one of the most important parts. Think about each other like yourself. And that's where Rasta should live.
Okay, I just want to clear that up. It's sample and
Sample and the example is a part of love and a part of respect. So if you don't sample to example to respect, what you gonna do? Sample is to respect and to love one another, you know. Out of many come from one. You have to start come from one. If you're gonna make $1 million, you have to start from $1. If you have the choice, you have to start from first choice. This is one same way.
Spoke about one love. I've had this tattoo that says one love on my body. My best friend and I got this tattoo when we were 16, I believe. We both still have it. Praying hands and the one love. But on another note, listen to me. Zazi just gave me a cucumber straight from his farm. Look at it. Look how small it is. Natural. No GMOs. Yeah. Yeah. I want to make pickles with these.
It's hotter than July. So the road's full of problems. They're gonna touch even if they try. For the bagay rhythms, my lips are thunderbolts.
It's French thyme and pimenta leaf. We put in rice and peas, or we put it in anything we're cooking, season. We don't need any salt.
Ah, okay. Says natural cabbage. Also, cabbage isn't supposed to be that big.
No, because they go with chemical.
There will be a party on the corner at the end of the block, yeah. Do you know you?
Thank you, brother. So, what is this, by the way?
It's Ital stew, and then like a pumpkin and vegetable rice.
Ital stew with pumpkin and vegetable rice.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, brother. That looks so good. Ital stew with pumpkin, rice with vegetable, natural yam, breadfruit, and pear. And I'm finna get in on this hot sauce too. I swear, it is really hard to explain just how good this is with no salt, no anything. I mean,
Do you know you? You'll be turning to the break of dawn. I bet you nobody ever told them.
just natural seasonings, natural flavors, herbs. This is amazing. Hey guys, if you stayed this far, thank you for watching. It's been a couple weeks since I've seen Zazi. Today he's gonna show us a waterfall. Let's go.
I'm great. Though it's been a while now, I'm mixing up the drink. I just need a girl who can really understand. I just need a girl who can really understand. I'm good, I'm great. Though it's been a while now, I'm mixing up the drink. I just need a girl who can really understand. I just need a girl who can really understand. And I've seen her get richer in the bar. I've seen her, I knew she had to know. I've seen her take down that tequila, down that lead. I knew I had to meet her. She might have gone up and right.
What up, bro? Hey guys, I'm up here with my homie Zazi.
Yeah, man,
Bless up, brother. Man, you up here getting it, big bro.
Yeah.
Definitely got to catch you with this machete. This is the brilliant part of just getting out of the tourist areas and stepping away from just the normal thing and trying to, you know, just, I don't know, just stick to your Western lifestyle, our American lifestyle, May I have fries with that? This is the beauty of it. You really get to get back into nature, really get back into what the world was meant for you to, for this to be your front and backyard.
Once you go into the woods, you know, you have to have something like a machete, a choppy, and
Y'all funny. Y'all call it a choppy? So guys, now we're all off to see the wizard. And I'm not sure if I'm the one here for courage or brain, but we're off still. Down the gray brick road. Hey guys, I felt like I needed a little nutrition, so I grabbed my personal favorite, the Leaf of Life here. And, oh yeah. How's it supposed to taste right here?
Now we are entering into slippery country.
Oh, wait, I didn't record.
Yeah.
That is mystical up there.
Watch it. We're entering into slippery country.
Very slippy ground here.
Guys, this is a place where I guess we gotta be safe. Because he said so, I'm gonna be safe.
Okay.
Because I'm not a fool. Putting my phone up because I might kill myself trying to record and walk.
This is the source where the water comes from. But this is also the point of contact, of capture and chlorination and fluorination.
I've been wandering round in the dark, been lost somewhere and no light could shine on my heart. I know the pain so deep, but I know my faith will free me. I will do this.
We out here, guys. Guys, we out here for real. Like, I know games, it is so unsafe for me to be recording and walking, but we all gotta be here together for this. We gotta experience all this. See Rod's waiting on me. It's a nice little jungle truck we on. We're finna have a nice little adventure. Apparently we're looking for the Temple of Doom. This feel like some shit Dora got lost in. Like, I'm looking for the bubble bridge right now. And my sticky tape, because for some reason sticky tape would have helped me out in this situation. Simon just low-key bust his shit.
Take your time, you know? No rush.
Why you giggle when you say that though, Ross?
Huh?
Why you giggle when you say that though? Guys, this is no games. Like, I'm dead serious. I'm loving it here, but at the same time, you gotta be adventurous. You gotta be that little monkey child, because if you see the terrain, it's kind of unstable. So you gotta kind of, I'm doing this with one hand for you guys, because I love you guys so much. Even if it's not framed, I'm gonna keep this picture. I'm gonna keep this video in here for you guys. Hopefully you see Roz behind me. Whoa, shit. Yeah, I almost bust my shit. That's what that drop was. That was not for cinematic appeal. We still going, guys. Deeper into the forest we go. And down the rabbit hole. Deeper, deeper, down, down. They're like, I do it now. Yep, y'all saw that slide. But if you didn't, you missed it. But I'm dope. If you're watching this, guys, and you're wondering how does Robertdreambig get to experience this type of stuff? I want to do this type of shit too. I'll tell you how. Because I'm dope and I do dope shit. But you can do dope shit too. Just follow me and subscribe. Okay. Look, I thought that was sturdy. I almost bust my whole ass. Thinking I had something to hold on to. Yep. I feel like I'm 12 years old again. I'm loving this. I don't know if you guys can hear what I hear, but them ain't crickets, and that is not rain. That's a waterfall. And I'm not gonna lie, Zazi and Rod keep looking at me like I'm retarded, because I keep trying to film and walk down this dangerous terrain. But how I'm gonna show y'all if I don't do this? What I can say, what I'm gonna edit past this, put it in my pocket and say, yeah guys, that was dangerous. Nah. I feel like if I don't risk a bloody nose for y'all, what the fuck y'all watching for? Let me tell you something. The crocodile hunter died, baby, trying to do his thing. And I feel the same way. If I die, I die. You guys see that? This is where I'm going right now. Guys, dreams come true. Oh yeah, we finna get all in that in a second, baby. You guys see this, right? You guys see my beautiful backdrop with my beautiful black backdrop having ass. Like I said, I'm dope and I do dope shit. Y'all dope too. Come with me. Follow. Like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, all that. Robertdreambig.
I've been wandering round in the dark, been lost somewhere and no light could shine on my heart. I know the pain so deep, but I know my faith will free me. I will do this, I'll find my way again. So don't tell me that it's over, 'cause each step just gets me close.
Hey guys, you know, we enjoying ourselves. We seeing the whole area and whatnot. And I know some of you guys gonna look at this and go, damn, he in a dope ass spot. He living. And you know what I'm gonna tell you? The truth is, it's just home, baby. That's all it is for me. But you can come visit me. Look at the falls.
I was born by the river in a little tent, but oh, just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know
Health is very good. Peace is very good. Straight love is one of the most important parts. Think about each other like yourself. And that's where Rasta should live.